Have you ever come across a situation or a scenario where you are so confused and don't know what to prepare, and you just came up with different ideas of food and it came out nice? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prepared my own special meal. Yeah, I started with yam rice. Yes, I have to just come out with something. I cut the yam into cube size. I added seasoning. Yeah, this is a noodle spice I added seasoning cube. Then after that, I'm going to add curry powder, then salt. Then I'll add water and light to cook until my rice is soft and tender, and the yam. So I have goat meat already at home, so I just cut them into cube size. This is my rice, is already cooked. I cooked it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. I heat up my pan. I added vegetable oil, onion, goat meat, and sardine oil, then carrots. I fried everything together, so I'll add the rice to it. It came out very nice. So I don't know the name you call this food. Is it yam fried rice or fried rice yam, whatever name you call it, but it's a magical moment. It turned out to be a very delicious and yummy fried rice. It came out nice and delicious. Yes. So if you are in that state, have you ever been in that state of when you're confused, you don't actually know what to eat? I have leftover rice, you have yam. This is a scenario for me. I have to come out with a delicious meal and it came out yummy, and we all ate and it was nice. Yeah, so if you watched to this moment or you've not subscribed to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos in this channel. So after that, I took my bath, and it's time for me to sleep. I'll say my prayers, read my Bible, and after that I have to go to bed and sleep for a better day the next day. So bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. More videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye bye.